Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is a hands-free dog leash. So the way it works is we will wear it around our waist and then Penny can go wherever she mainly wants and it will work her way around it somehow. So let's see, how does this work? Let's see. Not sure which side goes where. That goes all the way around there. Let's see, one of it's gonna go around me and one of it's gonna connect onto Penny. I think this is gonna go to Penny and this is probably gonna go around me. Like this. I can connect it up. Is it? Okay. Somehow, like that, and then Penny has her leash here and I can give her as much length as I want. And then as she goes, it'll just twist around. That's kind of, I guess that's how it works. Penny, come here. Penny, come, sit. Good girl. No, stay up here. See, and now I can just have her leashed to me. And wherever we go, I don't have to worry about holding on to her. She'll just go wherever. So, here we go. It's kind of cool. I like that. I like the concept of it. Very good. So now, we are one. Me and Penny are one. Very cool. Nice to have something like that. So just a little hands-free dog leash. So you just keep her close by whenever I need to. Thumbs up.